In this video, we'll model a free-flowing pipe, a pipe with no fittings or restrictions at its ends. Mains flowing into tanks can be considered free-flowing if the float valve is fully open, as the restriction is minimal. However, this is not the case with open taps. After setting the defaults and map options, we draw the main between the source and a point, then input the parameters. At the node, instead of assigning a demand, we set an emitter coefficient. Make sure to enter a very large number. Notice how the node shape changes from a circle to a rhombus. Now we run the simulation. Under these conditions, the pipe flows at 13.37 litres per second. You can also see this value in the pipe properties box. One last remark, emitters can become water sources if placed at high points. Here the emitter is at 45 metres, while the assumed source is at 0 metres. By enabling flow direction arrows, we can see that water now flows from the emitter to the reservoir, making the emitter the source and the reservoir the sink.